Wapi? Umchukulie ule hapa. Ama hapo iko sawa.
Wapi hiyo?
Na chukua mtu ndio.
Okay, so
software wapi? Ulisema ni software?
engineer.
Oh, wewe tu.
Ukinipea nikusaidie.
Umesema mental acumen iko wapi? Iko juu.
Mental. You cannot measure.
Dennis Matara.
Yes, my
Dennis
lord.
Matara for what?
Yes, Your Honor.
My lord, good morning.
Good morning.
In that matter, my name is Ayora.
Ayora.
I appear for the accused person.
Thank you, Mr. Ayora.
My lord,
Yes,
my lord, in that book of Kinudia
Mr. Kinodia.
for the victim family.
Thank you, Mr. Kinodia.
Thank you.
Who appears for the Republic?
Yes, my lord.
That's the correct position, my lord.
This is the first appearance before the High Court.
Yes, my lord. Before the High Court, this is the first appearance.
Yes.
My lord, we have since served defense counsel and filed the same with the court, his mental assessment. The suspect was assessed on the 15th of January 2024 and found fit to plead.
Indeed, my lord, that is the correct position. Documents have been served upon our officers. However, we were unable to open.
Just a minute, Mr. Ayora, for the learned prosecutor to finish addressing me, and then I'll give you an opportunity. Yes. So you say that you have served the mental assessment dated the 15th of January 2024.
Yes, my lord, we have also served them with the witness statements, the committal bundle. The reason being, I received Mr. Ayora's email quite late yesterday after we had after I had left the office. Sorry, my lord.
So what is it that you have not served on Mr. Ayola?
Our affidavit intending to oppose the suspect's bond. Yes, my lord, that is all. Oh, we are ready to take plea.
Mr. Ayora.
My lord, I was trying to confirm that indeed documents were forwarded to our office via email.
Yes. Yes.
However, we were not able to open that email due to the format of which they forwarded the said documents to our office.
All right. Just a minute, Mr. Ayora. As you continue speaking, Ms. Kigera, to confirm to me at the end of his address whether the new email will have been received. Mr. Ayora, proceed. So you are telling me, Mr. Ayora, that you're not able to open the annexures in view of the format.
I was not able to open the annexures, and in view of the development that they have filed a replying affidavit in advance of our application.
Yes.
For us to be able to controvert the same application, we are kindly asking for 7 days so that we respond to say the replying affidavit, and most likely file an application for bail pending the hearing of the said matter on behalf of the accused person. I'm kind of requesting that we can have another mention date as we confirm the others as directed by the court.
All right, now, Mr. Ayora, you are a few steps ahead of procedure.
I am.
Yes, because
Indeed, I am.
plea has not been taken.
Well guided.
Plea has not been taken, so matters of bail will be dealt with later this morning. Mr. Kenodia, is that so?
In my end, I'm meant to be served.
All right.
My lord.
The High Court has received information that on the night of 3rd of January 2024 at South B in Makadala Sub-County within Nairobi County, you murdered Scarlet Wahu Key. What do you have to say about that charge? You told me you understand English?
Yes, my lord. Not guilty, my lord.
Entered against the accused person. We will now come to you, Mr. Ayora. Do you have any application to make at this stage?
My lord, I have an application,
Yes.
and I'm requesting for time so that we can do it formally. Owing the fact that there is a replying affidavit of which we have not seen,
Yes.
I'm asking for 7 days to file and serve. We can have a mention date to confirm the same has been filed for purposes of bail pending the hearing.
So you play for 7 days to lodge a formal motion for bail. Ms. Kagera, let me know the position of the Republic on bail.
My lord, I have clarified that I have not served Mr. Matara with our affidavit opposing bond. But I'm not objecting to his application to be granted leave to reply.
In fact,
I have
now
asked.
it will work in the opposite manner, Ms. Kagera, because it will be Mr. Ayora who will be making
That's the
a
correct
formal
position, my
application
lord.
for bail, and the Republic will be opposing through that affidavit.
I'm much obliged, my lord.
The only direction that I can give is that the affidavit, and I'm going to pen my final directions in a short while, that affidavit then by the Republic or through the investigating officer opposing bail should be served at the earliest upon Mr. Ayora and also Mr. Kenothia, so that they can have adequate time and facilities to reply. Mr. Kenothia, on your part, will you be opposing bail?
Your Honor, I'll be opposing bail. Your Honor, I'll be requesting that before even the bail has been, that application is entertained,
Yes.
a victim impact assessment report be filed before court, Your Honor. Or a pre-bail report be filed. That's all.
You know, Mr. Kenothia, the two documents you've different and dealt with by the court at different stages of the trial. At the moment, the
Okay.
only document the court can call for is a pre-bail report.
stand guided.
Thank you, Mr. Kenodia. Just give me a few minutes.
Bring your ideas. We need your help. Just as you join.
Ruling. The first one is
Miss Mandy? Yes.
on record for the first person.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. 2024 in open court at 10:30 a.m. or thereabouts.
Criminal case number E012 of 2024, Republic versus James Kinyo Minor.
We go to the last matter.
John Matara.
Yes, my lord.
Matara, Owimbwa.
Yes, Your Honor.
Unaelewa lugha gani, John Matara?
Kizungu.
My lord, good morning.
Good morning.
In that matter, my name is Ayora.
Ayora?
I appear for the accused person.
Thank you, Mr. Ayora.
My lord,
Yes,
my lord, in that book, Kenodia,
Mr. Kenodia.
for the victim family.
Thank you. Ms. Kigera, this is the first appearance?
Yes, my
That's
lord.
the correct position, my lord.
This is the first appearance before the High Court.
Yes, my lord. Before the High Court, this is the first appearance. My lord, we have since served defense counsel and filed the same with the court, his mental assessment. The suspect was assessed on the 15th of January 2024 and found fit to plead.
Offense have been served upon our officers, however. We were able to open.
Served the mental assessment dated the 15th of January 2024.
Yes, my lord, we have also served them with the witness statements, the committal bundle. Position. The reason being, I received Mr. after we had our affidavit intending to lose the suspect's passport. So, we are ready to take plea.
Yes.
However, we were not able to open that email due to the format of which they forwarded the same documents to office. We'll be kindly requesting that they do forward those documents to our office in a format of a PDF to our office. That is one.
Right.
Two,
and that you send those documents to Mr. Ayora in the format that he has requested, so that Mr. Ayora